What's up, guys? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new, thank you for coming back. If you are an old friend, today I'm going to be giving you my Red Lips for Black Girls video, and I'm really excited about it, and I want to share some news with you guys. It's not really news. It's just, I want y'all to participate on something with me because I'm going to be participating in it, and I want you guys to be participating in it so I can see your beautiful faces and your red lips, okay? All right, so if you guys want to see the lipsticks that I need you to buy, if you want to see the lip liners in order to pull off a great red lip, if you want to see some swatches and some demos, stay tuned. A few months ago, I did a New Lips for Black Girls video. So today I'm bringing you the Red Lips for Black Girls video. Red lips are beautiful and they can really make a look pop, but I know that it can be really intimidating for somebody starting out in makeup. It just so happens that I have a good girlfriend. Her name is Chantel. She goes by Kiko Kaveri on social media. She started a campaign called No Bare Lips 30, where for 30 days we post ourselves in different shades of lip colors. So this season is the 7th season, and we've gone from doing freestyle every day, meaning you get to pick your own color, to like weekly themes where we have a theme for a week and then we do like a freestyle on Friday. This has been a really great way to get like Black women and other women really close together, just sharing their love of lipstick and just hyping each other up and affirming each other. It's a really great camaraderie when it's No Bare Lips 30 time. Personally, I've done this almost every season. I think I only sat out like one season, I believe, but I've done this a lot and I've met some really great people from the campaign. So if you've never heard of it and you want to learn more information, you can go to the website www.nobarelips30.com. You can also follow the Instagram page and the Facebook page so that you can get the up-to-date information about what's happening. The campaign starts on June 1st and it'll go from the 1st to the 30th. This season is an all red season because Black women look amazing in red lipstick. So I figured I would merge my Red Lips for Black Girls and the No Bare Lips season together so that we can properly introduce it and you guys can get ready. That's why this video is going up on Tuesday and not on Friday, because I want you guys to be prepared. I forgot to mention that this season she's really focusing on Black women-owned brands. You can wear whatever lipstick you choose, but she's focusing on Black women-owned brands because why not support ourselves while we're affirming ourselves, right? Right. So without further ado, let's get into these lipsticks. Okay. I am of the mind that if you are a Black girl or a brown girl, you can pull off any lipstick color as long as you get the shade that matches your complexion. I don't always use lip liners when doing red lips, but sometimes they are very necessary. Two of my favorite lip liners for red lips are MAC Beat and MAC Brick. I also really love Beano if you want to go a little bit deeper, but I can't find that pencil right now and I refuse to buy it again until I find it because I had literally just bought a new one and now it's gone. It's disappeared. So this is MAC Beat and it kind of has like a purplish undertone and it helps with really bright red lipsticks. It'll help tone it down and match your skin complexion a little bit better. This is Brick. Now this is kind of more like a true red, and it's also really good at helping tone down some of the brightness that red lipsticks can bring out. Another one that I really love is Plush Plum, and this is by Jordana. I got this for like $1.99 from Walgreens. But it is a little bit of a deeper red, like a brick kind of almost. And this looks good with orange based reds. Last but not least, we have MAC's Night Moth. This will give you like a bomb ombre look when you are putting on red lipsticks. Now, bomb red lipsticks do not have to cost you an arm and a leg. There are some really good drugstore red lips that will look amazing on you. This first one is Maybelline's Red for All. This next red lipstick is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Seraphine lipstick, and I believe this is a true blue red lipstick. This will look good on almost anybody. This is an orange based red. This is Anastasia American Doll. And last, we have MAC's Feel So Grand. I wear this a lot in the summer. So these are 4 really, really good red lipsticks that I urge you, if you really want to try some, you can pick them up. So for the try-on section, I'm only using Black women-owned brands because that's what Chantel said she was sticking towards. So I'm going to show you my favorite red lipsticks by Black women-owned companies. So let's get into it.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. For some time, you the first one made my heartbeat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. Took you hostage and I saved you with no hesitation. They wanna stop it, but what's true don't need no explanation. Falling for you was a bad idea. Guess I've been bad, guess I've been bad. Maybe we can get away from here. Never go back, we'll never go back. From you, I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. From you, or we can let the war start. For us two, please don't change.
Alright guys, those are the swatches of the 5 Black-owned lipsticks that I'll be sure to be rocking during No Bare Lips 30. I saved this one for last because it is my favorite. It's my absolute favorite red lip ever. And I wear this not as often as I should, but I wear it out a lot. In the comment section below, tell me which one is your favorite and which lipstick you think you're going to be picking up to participate in No Bare Lips 30. If you're going to be participating, make sure you check out the website, the social media accounts on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And also be sure to follow my good girlfriend, Kiko Kaveri, on Twitter. I'll leave all the information in the description box below, and I hope to see you guys on the hashtag. Please be sure to like and comment on this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. When the subscription bar changes into a notification bell, click the bell so that you can be part of the Glam fam and know exactly when I upload. Also guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.